Is Race to Wake not working on your Xiaomi phone? Don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna show you the steps to get Race to Wake working again. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check hardware test. First, open up the dialer. Now, enter *#64663 #*#*. Scroll down. Find the accelerometer test. Tap on it. Now, move your phone up, down, left, right. If the values do not change, your accelerometer has a problem. Solution 2. Disable and enable Race to Wake. Open up the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Lock Screen. Here, you can see Race to Wake. Now make sure to toggle it on. If it's already enabled, then toggle it off. Wait for 10 seconds, then toggle it back on. Solution 3. Software updates. Go to the Settings app. Now tap on About Phone. Next, tap on the HyperOS. If you see any update available here, update it. Hope your issue is solved now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.